Hello world, I'm Scott from Spice.ai and I've got a question for you. Have you ever wanted to have a conversation with your data? Well, I'm here to show you how, thanks to the Spice.ai for GitHub Copilot. This extension uses Spice to enable you to query across your databases, data lakes, documents, and code all in one place. Let's see it in action. Let's say that I'm a web developer in charge of an application. A question I might ask is, what's the recent uptime for my app? So it looks like the Copilot doesn't have enough information to answer my question. Luckily, I've got an Uptime GraphQL API wired up in Spice that I can query like this. At Spice.ai, what's the recent uptime for my app? Looks like we've had some downtime incidents. Let's dig into those. Let's start with our access logs, which are kept in blob storage. Let's try asking Copilot, what was the last error code and request ID in the access logs? Looks like it can't give us an answer. Let's try again with Spice. At Spice.ai, what was the last error code and request ID in the access logs? Excellent, we've got a request ID. Now let's go ahead and grab the stack trace for this error from Databricks. Let's ask, what was the stack trace for this request ID? Still unable to give me the answer that I need. Spice already has a connection to Databricks set up, so let's go ahead and use that instead. At Spice.ai, what was the stack trace for that request ID? It looks like the stack trace was related to Quick and HTTP protocol. Let's look for open issues related to that. First, we ask, what are the issues related to Quick in Nginx? So it's not quite what I'm looking for. Let's go ahead and ask Spice.ai using the Spice.ai's GitHub connector. At Spice.ai, what are the issues related to Quick in Nginx? Now these are a little bit more related to my issue, including links. Now that I've debugged this issue, I realize that I'm overdue for a vacation. So let's ask, what's my company's vacation policy? Looks like it's not going to be able to help me out with this one. Luckily, Spice is connected to my company's SharePoint. At Spice.ai, what's my company's vacation policy? Nice. Now I can go ahead and book my trip. Let's see how easy this is to set up. So we're going to start by heading over to the GitHub Marketplace. Top left corner, go down to Marketplace. In the search box, we are going to type Spice.ai and then click the option here. This page is going to give you a description of exactly what the Spice.ai extension does, including some example prompts you can ask. We scroll all the way to the bottom. There's a button that's marked Install it for free. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Double check that my billing information here is correct. And then click Complete Order and begin installation. Here you can see some of the permissions that we're going to require for the Spice.ai extension, namely the Copilot chat, Copilot editor context, and an email address. I'm going to go ahead and click Install. And now it's part of my organization or account. Now, let's connect to the Spice.ai platform. I'm going to open a new chat. And I'm going to type at Spice.ai. And then I'm going to click the connect button. So we see here the resources that are going to be accessed, namely the Copilot editor context, the Copilot chat, and once again, email addresses. I'm going to go ahead and click Authorize Spice.ai. And now we're going to pick the datasets that we're interested in. Let's start with the React repositories and Nginx. Then at the bottom here, I'm going to click Setup Copilot Extension. Now I can come back to GitHub, open a new chat window and ask at Spice.ai, what are the issues related to Quick in Nginx? And there you have it. Thanks for checking out Spice.ai for GitHub Copilot. For more information, visit docs.spice.ai/copilot.